Welcome back to Cooking with Kelp. I'm doing another soup because it's cold. And this is definitely a contender. It may be my new favorite soup of all time. I could eat it every day. Miso and creamy udon. Super simple. I'm starting with butter and frying up the white part of the scallions and some red chili flakes. I didn't do a lot because I'm going to add more later. And I love me some mushrooms, so I've got criminis and oyster mushrooms in here, letting them fry for a while, adding soy sauce, yum yum. They really absorb it nicely. And that's my big chunk of miso paste. A little bit of water for the broth, stirring well. Let those cook for a bit. It's quite good, quite simple. Just let them cook. Very steamy. Oyster sauce is next. Stir it up real good. And then when the mushrooms are mostly done, that's when I add the cream. I don't really want to boil the cream. I just want to get it in there to make it creamy. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Yep, I'm just ladling it into a bowl. And now you add your toppings. Or more soup. I need more soup. Okay, now add your toppings. I went with just tearing up nori because that's what I had and I needed to use it because it had been open for a little while. And now I also really like adding the green part of the scallions, and I totally almost forgot about my noodles. I did whole wheat pasta because I'm like always on a health kick, but you can of course use regular udon and serve hot. Enjoy.